Happy Monday, June 12th, 2023. Jaden here. Hope you're doing great. Just want to start off with a news story that is really compelling and I think important to take note of. And that's this headline news today. Nasdaq to buy Thoma Bravo-owned software firm Adenza for $10.5 billion. Take a listen.
Bring about $300 million of cash flow into the business. And we're really excited about how we can then cross-sell our solutions, be more efficient in our operating model to serve our clients, and make it so that we can scale the business even further.
There you go. Interesting, isn't it? That we're starting to see acquisitions from a institution that is essentially a listing agent for companies. The Nasdaq, the largest, of course, the most shares traded on the exchanges are on the Nasdaq. Over 3,200 companies trade. And I just found it interesting. I found it interesting that they would make that acquisition and look at the premium, $10.5 billion. Half of the deal is debt finance. So they're thinking that the $500 million in revenue from Adenza, $500 million a year in revenue is going to be sufficient enough to pay the debt service on the loan and also give them another way to diversify their business. So huge multiple still. That's what I wanted to point out, that the earnings are at $500 million and this deal went in at $10.5 billion. So 10 times earnings. So whenever these, folks on these shows are yelling and screaming how deals in the technology space are dead, they're not. They're clearly continuing and at decent multiples. So I just thought that was really good. Just want to point out a stock for the week, and that is, let me get that ticker symbol. It's on our Stock Rockets list. This one, Oscar Health Inc. OSCAR Health Inc. Currently at $9.24 US. Average risk stock, trades on the New York Stock Exchange. Look at that chart, y'all. You can't see the whole thing. Let me bring my screen in here slightly, see if that'll help. Let's see if that did it. Nope, not yet. Here we go. There we go. So we're looking at a stock that has seen the low for the year, it looks like. Would have been right around here, $2.41. That was December 29th. That's when we issued a buy rating on this threading here. Had a nice move up to doubled by March 2nd to 469. We said sell. Good call there because it hit 336. And on the way back up at 561, we said buy. That was March 28th. By the way, that's what these arrows indicate, are our recommendations to buy or sell. And we had a nice move right there. See that thread? May 31st. Bam, right there. Stock moves above both the EMA and SMA. And of course, right now you've got EMA above SMA. The MFI in the sweet spot at 56. Really nice looking chart here. Stock should definitely go higher. So let me know in the chat. You just scroll over to the menu. You click the stock form. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, anything that you'd like feedback on. I posted here that we are issuing, we're so close on the app, and we would like some of you to take it for a test spin. So please email me, message me if you're interested in that. We'd love to have 4 or 5 testers of the app, take it through its paces. We think it's ready to go, but we'd like to hear from you. I can only, just multiple eyes on this thing to make sure that it's ready to go. Let us know and have a fantastic week. It looks like it is, just take a quick look at the headlines here. It looks like, we still have inflation kicking in. We had the Reserve Bank in Canada raise interest rates last week, 25 basis points. That's going to affect, if you have, many of you know, if you have a mortgage, adjustable rate mortgage, any type of debt or credit lines you have that are adjustable, the rate will go up. You can expect that. And it looks like they may have indicated future raises as well. So we've got gold down a little bit, silver dipping slightly, although up from last week. You know me, I always say buy the dips, sell the rips. And the rest looks fairly stable. Looks like a good trading week where you can start maybe locking in some gains that you've got and consider other stocks to buy. Have a fantastic week.